Hey guys, what's up? You all are welcome to our this YouTube channel. Today in this educational tutorial, we are going to learn about altitude as a factor affecting climate change. In this video, we have two parts. The first part is about altitude and second part consists of some questions. But before starting the session, we want to request you all to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon button so that you can receive other uploaded videos too. Hence, now let's begin it. Here, in the first part, we are going to discuss about altitude. So, what is altitude? The answer goes on here. Altitude is the height of a place or point in relation to sea level or ground level, which varies from place to place by creating difference in temperature. There is an inversely proportionality sign between altitude and temperature. If altitude increases, then the temperature decreases, and if altitude decreases, then the temperature increases. Hence, there is an inversely proportionality sign between altitude and temperature. In the alongside figure, we can see the same thing, that is variation in altitude. If talking about an example, then we can take our own country, Nepal. Although it lies in tropical climatic region, there is a great difference in climatic pattern than in the comparison to the tropical one, and this is only due to the altitude. Thus, we can see that altitude has led a great variation. For instance, due to it, our country Nepal has been divided into three geographical regions, that is, Tarai, Hilly, and Himalayan region, which has led Tarai to be more hotter due to low altitude, whereas Himalayan to be more colder due to high altitude, and hilly to be moderate one. In this way, we have completed the first part, and as we have discussed earlier that we will be dealing with some questions in the part 2. Hence, the first question is, why we don't feel hot while we climb up, although we get nearer to the sun, but we feel hot at low altitude? It is because there is an universal fact that if altitude increases by 165 meters, then the temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius, which means that if altitude increases, then the temperature decreases, and if altitude decreases, then the temperature increases. Hence, there is an inversely proportionality sign between altitude and temperature. Hence, so as we climb up, although we get nearer to the sun, the temperature decreases and we feel cold. And do you all know that why this happens? So, in order to have information about it, let's move ahead. It is so because at lower altitude or at the surface of the earth, there is dense and more compact air which has ability to absorb more heat, and this leads to higher temperature. But quite differently, at the high altitude, there is less dense and compact air which has ability to absorb less heat. This leads to lower the temperature. Hence, the temperature drops at higher altitude. Therefore, at last, thank you for watching the video till end. Thank you.